Welcome to the Will the Orange Guy Game Currency Converter Product Showcase. This game converts money into the amount of time that can be spent playing each game. So I guess it's not really a game then, it's more of a tool. It's currently a public archive and now read-only as there's no longer any development going on with the project. It's made of 100% Python. And as we scroll down the page here, we can see our README, which explains some things. So just as I said before, it converts money into the amount of time that can be spent playing each game. Can be solved through the Python module or by creating an executable file with cxfreeze. And so as you can see, it displays this window here with all these game icons, and then you just enter into the top buttons either the cash or trade value of the thing, and it will tell you how many turns you get in the game. Current release is 1.0, and there's currently no bugs or issues. It's been developed by me, copyright 2016 to 2022. It's licensed under the MIT license, which can be accessed here or in the license.md file in the repository. We can head now over to the main piece of code. So basically what it does, imports Tinker, creates constants for all the game prices, creates the window, creates the amount of value and the title boxes and text boxes. Then creates two functions for doing the trade and currency money values. Then as we scroll down, it creates a frame for money conversions and creates a frame for trade conversions. Then there's all the game images here, and then there is some titles for those game images, as well as this is where all the game images are added to the repository, or not to the repository, sorry, to the program window. See all of them down this way. And then this is where everything is added to the program here. So it's all packed into the window. So here we have the code added to the project. So this is the code we just went over. So here's our Tinker import statements and our game price variables here, as we discussed before, our main window, and our calculation function, our other calculation function, and then the meta stuff of the window is all right here. And then here's each of the game images. And then this is where all our icons are added. So the games that are available in this program are Apex Legends, Boom Beach, Clash of Clans, Egg Inc., Fortnite, Minecraft, Asphalt 9, Clash Royale, Crossy Road, Hill Climb Racing the second, Mario Kart, Microsoft Solitaire Collection, Microsoft Sudoku, New Super Mario Bros., and that's it. So then everything else is down here as pack statements to put the stuff in the Tinker window, as well as our commands to stay in the window. So we'll start off by running this command. So we press the F5 button in Visual Studio Code. It'll run. And there we go, now we see our window. So it says game currency at the top, our comparison between cash and trading the icons, as well as all of the different games with their icons here, and then the number of turns in these little four boxes here, these four square boxes. Okay, so let's start by going, I want to trade $200 in cash, so I go submit, and I see that that will give me 400 turns. Okay, let's say that actually, no, I'm going to trade something worth $23, and that'll give me 46 turns. So just like that, very basic program, very easy. We can go back and delete here and go 500 for a second time, and it'll show me more and more like just like that. Okay, we'll close the window, close those things in Visual Studio Code, and we'll head over here to setup.py. And so basically what this program does is it allows us to build an executable for the program. So it runs with cxfreeze, which is importing here, and runs all of these commands here. So basically it includes all of the files, all of the picture files, and then creates a platform executable for Windows 32, so for Windows. And then there's just some information here, like it's a game currency converter, its current version, a little blurb about it, who created it, will it build an exe? Yes, it will, but it needs to use these options, and then it's going to create an executable from main.py. So thanks for watching. If you feel the need to use this program or you want to customize it as your own, you can just head over to GitHub and fork or star the repository. Thanks for watching.